Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Color, orange color, purple color, pink color, green color, brown color, blue color, sky blue color, gray color, red color, green color. Let's learn to draw some shapes. Triangle, oval, arrow, square, star, semicircle. Let's color the shapes. Red color, violet color, violet color, baby pink color, baby pink color, brown color, brown color, orange color, orange color, gray color, gray color, triangle, oval, arrow, square, star, semicircle. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.